If you want to connect a domain to cPanel hosting, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, your domain will be added inside cPanel and pointed to its own folder, which is the clean and proper way to set it up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Namecheap and log into the account that owns your hosting plan. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list section. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown in one place. Next, find the hosting plan you want to use and click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account. cPanel is where you manage your files, domains, email, and other website settings. Once cPanel opens, look for the domain section. This is the area where you can add and manage domains connected to your hosting account. Click on Domains to continue. Now click Create a new domain. This starts the process of adding your domain to the hosting account. On the next screen, you'll see a field where you can enter your domain name. Type in your domain name carefully. Make sure it is spelled correctly and that you enter the full domain exactly as you want it connected. After that, you will see an option that says Share Document Root with the main domain. For this setup, uncheck Share Document Root with the main domain. This is an important step because it tells cPanel to create a separate folder for this domain instead of making it share the same website files as the main domain. After unchecking that option, check the Document Root field. Make sure it points to a separate folder for this domain. This folder is where the website files for this domain will live, so it needs to be unique and not shared with your main domain. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. Your domain name should be entered properly, and the document root should point to its own separate directory. Once everything is ready, click Submit. cPanel will now create the new domain and connect it to your hosting account. After that, you can upload your website files into the new document root folder, and your domain will be ready to use. And that's it. You've now connected a domain to cPanel hosting the right way with a separate document root for better organization and easier management. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.